Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet out this beautiful multi-purposes drawstring bag for all of you. Have a look. This mini drawstring bag is so cute and so beautiful. It is made of flat circle. This flat circle consists of 6 rounds of double crochet and it's completed with 1 round of back loop double crochet. The main pattern of this drawstring bag is made of the modified shell stitch. Its top section is made of 6 rounds of single crochet, the handle is made of the Romanian cords, and the drawstring cord is made of 100 chains. It's so comfortable and carryable. It can be used as coin purse or a mini makeup bag. It also can be used as a souvenir or a special gift for your loved one. Let's make it now, but don't forget to share and like this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. To make this beautiful project, I used 2 different shades of green yarn, 2.20mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To begin, I make a magic circle. This magic circle is also called a magic ring. Then 2 chains. This pattern is the multiple of 4, so these first 2 chains are considered the first double crochet. After that, I will make 11 normal double crochet in this circle. So the total double crochet of these first rounds are 12. The first round of this base is complete. Fasten the yarns to get a perfect flat round base. Then slip stitch. The slip stitch is made on the top of the normal double crochet. It is the second one. This is the chain 2 that represents the first double crochet. The second one is the normal double crochet, so I make slip stitch on the top of the normal double crochet instead of the top of the chain 2. Okay, the first round is perfectly complete. Now let's make round 2 or the second round. Start with 2 chains, 1, 2, but these 2 chains are not considered the first double crochet because they are the last double crochet. This round is filled with the increased double crochet or double crochet increased. The double crochet increase is that 2 double crochet are made in the same stitch, or 1 stitch is filled with 2 complete double crochet. It is called the double crochet increased. Repeat these actions by making 2 double crochet in each stitch of these second rounds. So there are 24 double crochet in total. These 24 double crochet can be divided by 4 because this word is the multiple of 4. These 2 stitches are for 2 last double crochet increase. Make 2 double crochet in this 1 stitch. Make 1 double crochet in this last stitch because I have made 2 chains. These 2 chains are considered as the last double crochet, so I just need to add 1 double crochet to make it the double crochet increased. The total double crochet of this second round are 24. After that, make a slip stitch. Just like the previous round, the slip stitch is made on the top of the normal double crochet instead of on the top of the 2 chains. Then we're going to start the round 3 or the third round. Firstly, make chain 2. Just like before, this chain 2 is the last double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet followed by double crochet and increase. This means that make 1 double crochet in one stitch and make 2 double crochet in the next one stitch. This is called 1 double crochet followed by double crochet and increase. Repeat this action. Look at the next one stitch. Make 1 double crochet in this one stitch. Then make double crochet and increase or 2 double crochet in the next one stitch. This is called 1 double crochet followed by double crochet and increase. Repeat again. 1 double crochet followed by the double crochet and increase. These are the last 2 stitches. Make 1 double crochet in this stitch and make 1 last double crochet in this stitch under the chain 2. These chains 2 are considered the last double crochet, so with this normal double crochet they are considered as the double crochet and increase. Then make a slip stitch on the top of the normal double crochet. For the next rounds, you need to always start with chain 2, which are considered as the last double crochet. For the round 4, start with 2 double crochet followed by double crochet and increase. Round 5, after making chain 2, make 3 double crochet followed by double crochet and increase. For the round 6, after making the chain 2, make 4 double crochet followed by double crochet and increase. Okay, now slip stitch. This is the 6 rounds. The 6th round consists of the total 72 double crochets. These 72 double crochets can be divided by 4. Then chain off 2. This is the turning off. It is considered as the first double crochet. Then make 1 back loop double crochet in each of the back loop stitches. The amount of the back loop double crochet are also 72. This amount can be divided by 4 as the main pattern of this mini bag is the multiple of 4. Keep making 1 back loop double crochet in each of the back loop stitches. Make a slip stitch on the top of the second double crochet as the first double crochet is represented by the chain stitches. Okay, after that we're gonna make the main pattern. Firstly, make chain 2, then make 2 double crochet cluster in a same stitch. This double crochet cluster is made of incomplete double crochet. Then chain up 2. In the same stitch, you need to make 3 double crochet cluster or 3 incomplete double crochet. Okay, then yarn over, pull it through all loops. No chain 1, no secure chain, but you need to directly skip 3 stitches and go to the 4th one. Then make 3 double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3. 3 incomplete double crochet or 3 double crochet cluster. Then chain 2. Then make chain 2. 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet cluster in a same stitch. This is the second pattern. 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. No chain 1 or no secure chains. Then skip 3 stitches again. Go to the 4th one. Repeat the action. Make 3 double crochet cluster in the 4th chain from the last pattern. 2, 3 or 3 incomplete double crochet, yarn over, pull it through all loops, then chain up 2, repeat the actions, make 3 double crochet cluster in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull it through all loops, no chain 1 or no secure chains. You need to repeat this action over and over again to complete this first round. This is the last one. Make a slip stitch on the top of the second double crochet or on the top of the double crochet cluster. Then make another slip stitch in a chain space. After this, we're going to make the second row of the main pattern. Start with chain 2. Then 2 double crochet cluster. The first pattern I will start with 2 double crochet cluster after the turning up. The first 2 chains are the turning up. Then chain 2. Make 3 double crochet cluster in the same chain space. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Go to the next chain space. Make 3 double crochet cluster. The second and the next pattern start with 3 double crochet cluster. This is the first one. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Chain 2. Repeat the actions. Make 3 double crochet cluster in the same chain space. 1, 2, 3. 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Then go to the next chain space and repeat the actions. Make 3 double crochet clusters. 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochet cluster again in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Repeat these actions to complete this second round and repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the height you desire. But for this project, I just used this shade of thread for the first 3 rounds, then I will use another one till the end of this project. This is the last patterns of the third round. I will make a slip stitch on the top of the double crochet cluster, and I will make another slip stitch in a chain space before I change the yarn's color. This is another yarn. Okay, I grab this yarn and I will pull the yarn tail to fasten them. Then I'll make chain 2 to start the new patterns or to start the new rounds. This is the 4th round. Just like before, the beginnings of rounds start with 2 double crochet cluster. Okay, then chain 2 and in the same space make 3 double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Okay, then go to the next chain space and repeat the 3 double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 2, make another 3 double crochet cluster in the same chain space. 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. I will use this shade to complete my project, and I will repeat this pattern over and over again until I get the height I desire. This is the last pattern for this color. I will make 3 double crochet closer in this last chain space. Then chain 2, 3 double crochet closer in the same chain space. Finally, make a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet cluster. Then chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the same space or in the same stitch. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches as much as 3 rounds. Make 1 single crochet in this space, 1 single crochet on the top of the double crochet cluster, 1 single crochet on the top of the next double crochet cluster. The amount of these single crochet are 72. I divided them by 9 to have 8 hole for the drawstring rope. This hole is made of 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, followed by 7 single crochet. Then back to 2 chains, followed by 7 single crochet. Repeat this action as much as 8 times. On the next rounds, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches and make 2 single crochet in each of the chain space. Then make 2 more rounds of single crochet to complete this project. This is the last round of single crochet, but I forgot to say that these single crochets are made spirally, so there is no starting or ending stitches of each round. And this one is the last single crochet, so I'm gonna cut this yarn. And then I will use a smaller hook to hide this yarn tail. You can use a smaller hook too, or use the tapestry needles, depend on you. This is the drawstring ropes I made using 100 chains. I put it into the bag. It looks so beautiful and so gorgeous. And this one is the handle. It is made of the basic Romanian cord, and I have sewn it manually on the back. Finally, this small drawstring bag is ready, and I hope you like it. If you have something to ask about it, kindly leave your comments in the space below or send it to me through my Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day and happy crochet!